Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the AshleMichelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this eye-catching makeup look. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright y'all, so I went on ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, but if you do have any questions on how to fill in your eyebrows, don't forget to check out my updated eyebrow routine. I am going to link that in this video. But the first product that I'm using is the Morphe Eyelid Primer in the shade Translucent. This is going to be my eyeshadow base, and I'm simply going to blend that product out using my fingers. Now I'm going to zoom y'all in so we can get down to business. In this video, I will be using the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, and the first color that I'll be using is called Ferocious. And I'm going to be using a light fluffy eyeshadow brush to sweep that color across my eyelid as my transition shade. And I'm also going to be placing tape on the outer corners of my eyelids so that way all of my eyeshadow stays in place. Next, I'm going to cut my crease using the small concealer brush from the E.L.F. Cosmetics along with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Now you guys, the key to getting your cut crease perfect every time is simply placing a dot of concealer in the middle of your eyelid and looking up. Now when you look up, the concealer is going to naturally move to where the actual crease of your eyelid is. And after I make my guide spot, I just begin extending that dot into a half circular shape. And if you want to apply more eyeshadows to your eyelid, you can also make your cut crease larger. Now I'm going back into the Fierce by Nature palette, and this time I'm going to be grabbing this beautiful eye-catching green called Come Alive. And y'all, this look definitely came alive once I applied this eyeshadow, and I'm feeling like new money, honey. And I'm just going to pack this eyeshadow on using a sponge applicator. I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Cosmetics liquid eyeliner to draw a thin line across my eyelids. I chose to do a thin line so that way the green eyeshadow could be the star of this poppin' eye look. I also applied my eyelashes off camera, and if you want to know what eyelashes that I'm wearing, I will have a link for them in the description box. And I'm just going to be using the Neutrogena makeup wipes to clean up the eyeshadow fallout from under my eyes. Today I'm switching it up a little bit with applying my face makeup. I'm going to first clean my face using the Dove Sensitive Skin Soap, and I'm just going to gently rinse that off using a warm washcloth. And now I'm taking the Pond's Dry Skin Cream to bring some moisture back into my face so that way my skin will not feel dry underneath my primer or my foundation. Next, I'm applying my favorite two primers at the moment, the NYX Shine Killer and the Wet n Wild Photofocus Matte Primer. I really love the longevity of both of these products. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 420, and I'm going to be using only 4 pumps of foundation for my entire face. And to blend out my foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray that on my beauty sponge and blend out my entire foundation. Next, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, again to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. And I'm going to be using that same damp beauty sponge to blend out the concealer. And lastly, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Baked Bronzer to make my foundation pop with a little sparkle. And here are the final results. I am so in love and happy with how this makeup look turned out. Make sure you all check out the hair tutorial on this look as well. Alright you all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Also, do not forget to drop me a comment down below of what you guys thought about this makeup look, and also let me know in the comments what other looks that you guys want me to try out next. And most importantly, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And also, subscribe and turn those post notifications on. You guys do not want to miss any of the new videos that I have coming out on my channel, and y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye!